One of the greatest things I love about the Bradley, besides how well it does with my smoked meat, you have a barbecue and you use your barbecue, and certainly it has its benefits. Sear the meat and cook up a steak, make up your burgers. Great to have a barbecue. But the introduction of the smoker has changed things for me. Slower, has a more intense, deep flavor, and that's why I like it. The other thing in doing smoked meat is picking the right smoker. So do you use a smoker that has a hot box? Or do you use a smoker that is an auger fed style? All of those I looked at, and they do the same job, but ultimately they're heavy and they're difficult to move around. One of the things I like about the Bradley is how portable it is. So when you're smoking for 6 to 12 hours, or maybe 5 hours, whatever the case might be, that smoke is billowing up from the top. And depending on the wind direction you've got, it might be blowing right into your house. And as much as you love that smell of potpourri or that smell of smoke coming into your home, that may not be the right thing for you. So you can just pick it up, it's so light, take it to a new location, plug it in, and now based on the wind direction, the smoke is going down the road as opposed to inside your front window. So it makes it real easy, where some of those other smokers are so heavy, once you put them in the location, they're not going anywhere. They've got to be where they are. So great advantage.
So you may be wondering where you can find them. You can find them at bradleysmoker.com. Get yours today.